Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a good luck Care Bear. So let's get started. To draw this lucky bear, let's first start by drawing an oval for the nose and mouth area. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw a curve. So right in the center, and then we're going to start to bring it down to create the oval. And connect it at the bottom. So my bottom is going to be a little bit flatter than my top. From there, let's draw the nose. So I'm going to come right in the center and say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point and I'm going to draw a heart. So using this as my center, I'm going to come down and the other side to draw this nose. And then at the bottom right underneath the nose, we're going to draw a big smile. So I'm just going to start about right here. And just draw a big curve that goes right across. And let's cap it off right here with two curves. And if you like, you can do this when you're coloring it, but if you like, you can add 3 dots right here for a little bear. And same thing on this side. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's draw the eyes. So we're going to come up in about this area right here. We're going to draw a big circle. So let's say about right here, I'll start and draw a big circle for the eyes. And same thing over here. So kind of like right here as well. So then now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So if you love Care Bears, definitely let me know in the comments below what other Care Bear you would love me to draw for you. I think Care Bears are still around, right? They're just so adorable. And this was inspired by a fan who requested that I draw the Good Luck Bear. And I felt it was just a perfect time to draw it because of all the stress that we're having right now with the coronavirus. So this was just a perfect little bear to hopefully have us all have a more positive outlook towards the future. From there, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a curve above each eye. Okay, and then, oh, almost I forgot. Let's give our Care Bear here some lashes. I knew something was off. So I'm just going to add 2. Just simple little 2 little lashes right there. And then now we can go ahead and draw the face. So I'm going to come to where the eyes are, and right here in the center, I'm just going to come out, say about this much. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, about that much. And I'm just going to draw a curve, and it's going to be pretty close to the mouth area. So it's going to come out a little bit more here on the cheeks. So same thing over here. So a little bit more out towards the cheek area. And then we're going to bring it in. Okay, so then now let's go up. We're going to bring this curve up. So we're just creating that dumpling shape that I usually give to all my Draw So Cute characters. It's a little bit narrower at the top and wider in the cheeks. So let's just keep going all the way up now. So towards my center area, that's our highest point. And about right there, I'm going to stop. I'm just going to draw some tufts of fur on top of this Care Bear's head. So maybe just 3. And then we're going to continue our curve down. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come in here and draw the ears. So right in this area, I'm just going to start with a big curve that comes around and back. And let's come in here and draw the inside. And same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag some points across just to make it easier so I can see where I'm going on the other side. And once again, just a big curve that comes all the way back and the inside. So now that the head is done, let's draw the body. We're going to center the body, so I'm going to come about right here and here. And we're just going to draw a basic shape, so just a curve for the body. And then let's connect it, round it off towards the bottom. And connect. From there, let's draw the legs. So it's going to come in the center, so about right here and here. Just going to give myself 2 marks, and I'm just going to bring a straight line down right in the center, and then let's work on this leg first. So about in this area, I'm just going to bring in a slant, and then let's continue this down more, and then right here I'm just going to bring out a curve for the feet and connect right back up. And then let's come into this area right here and draw 2 curves. And do the same thing on the other side. So let's bring this down. And once again, about right here, bring in a slant and a curve coming out. And then let's connect it like the other side. So right here, just going to continue and connect. And so once again, 2 curves right here. And I'm just going to bring this in a little bit more on both sides. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and draw the arms. So on this hand, Good Luck Bear here has his thumbs up. So let's come out a little bit, and we're just going to bring in a curve. And then about right here, I'm going to curve up. And just draw in his little thumb. So it's just a curve down. And then we're going to end it right here. Just put in a curve right there. And a longer curve that comes down for the rest of his fingers. And let's bring this around and back in. There. And then let's come in here and we're just going to draw 2 curves for fingers. So just make sure I have this little thumb in here for a thumbs up. Okay, so then the other hand is much easier. It's just going to be nice and simple along his body. So we're just going to bring down a curve right here, all the way down. And about right here, I'm going to come in with a bigger curve and then come up and connect it. Okay, so then we're done with his arms. Now let's make him a Good Luck Bear. So we're going to come into this area in his belly, and we're just going to draw a circle inside. So it's going to come about right here. So all the Care Bears basically look the same, right? So the only difference is what's the logo inside this little area right here. So if there's other Care Bears you want to draw, you can just follow this tutorial and then change this part up. And of course different colors when you're coloring it. But this is our Good Luck Bear here, because I think we all need some good luck right now, right? And some positive outlook. So right here I'm going to start to draw the 4-leaf clover. I'm going to come to the center and we're basically drawing 4 hearts that are kind of stuck together towards the center. So we got 1, 2, and let's come up over here, 3, and 1 more, 4. And then in the center we're going to draw a stem that comes down and connect. So there, all done. I hope this good luck bear here inspires you to stay positive. We could all use a lot of good luck right now, and I just want you guys to remember I love you guys. Please stay safe, and thanks for watching. And if you love this bear, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.